Hello everyone, this is Manmeet Kaur from RS Global School of Languages, and today I have brought you an important video about the tips that I require for the IELTS speaking exam test. The topic that I'm going to cover today is how to introduce yourself to the examiner. Well, I know certainly that's the first thing that one person has to do. So I have two tips for you guys. Come have a look on the board. The first one is, may I know your full name? Or you can simply say, what's your name? The examiner is going to ask you these questions and you can simply answer those answers like saying, my name is Manmeet Kaur. Mention, do not say is. Say, my name is Manmeet Kaur. Make sure you're loud and clear. The second tip I have for you guys is, how may I address you? Or, what can I call you? For this, you have three options to say. You can call me by my first name, Manmeet. Just call me Manmeet. Please call me Manmeet. So these are the two tips and answers that you all people can use in your interviews, and today I have just these two tips for you and I hope this is useful to you. Please catch up with RS Global School of Languages for further tips. Bye bye.